This is probably the best AI animation generator that I've used. In this video, I'm going to break down how to use this free AI tool to make animated story videos. You don't need to have any skills, experience, or budget to follow along, so let's get started. Step 1. Set up PixVerse AI. Head over to the PixVerse AI website. PixVerse started as one of the first platforms in this space, and they've been tweaking and improving ever since. What makes it stand out is its variety of tools. You can turn plain text into videos, convert images into moving visuals, and even use their character-to-video feature, which lets you make animated characters act out your script. The interface is super clean, so you don't have to be a tech wizard to figure it out. Everything is laid out logically, as you'll see in a moment. Click on Log In here and then sign up for PixVerse with your Google account. When you're logged in, you'll be able to see this library of animations that users have made using PixVerse, which is always great for inspiration. Now, as you can see next to this lightning bolt emoji here, when you first sign up, PixVerse gives you 90 free credits. Click on Basic, and you'll see the different plans. Under the free Basic plan, you get those first 90 credits, and then you get 60 credits every day for you to use. Their paid plans start from $10 a month if you're paying monthly, and you get a ton of useful features, including being able to remove watermarks. I recommend playing around with the basic plan to get a feel of PixVerse before committing to any plans. Now that you have an idea of how PixVerse works, let's make an animated story. Step 2. Write a story. We need some type of structure to work from. For this, I use Grok. Sign up for a free account if you don't have one already, and then log in. In the text box, give a prompt like this, adapt it to any story idea that you have in mind. Grok will generate a story in seconds. Highlight the whole thing, copy it, open a new document in Google Docs and paste the story there. This part's key because a video without a story is just random clips. You've got your base set now. Step 3. Turn your story into video prompts. Go back to Grok in the same chat and give this prompt. Use this prompt. Convert this story into 3 to 4 detailed video generation prompts for an AI animation tool. Each clip must be 5 or 8 seconds long. Grok splits it into prompts for each scene, describing what you'd see. Look them over to make sure they feel right for a video. If a detail seems fuzzy, you could adjust it, though I usually keep them as they are to save time. Copy all the prompts, switch to your document, paste them below the story, and make sure it's all easy to read. Save it again. This step is important because the animation tool needs exact directions, and these prompts make that happen. Step 4. Generate your animation. Go back to PixVerse and click on Create. You'll see a text box near the bottom. That's where you'll tell it what to make. Setting this up is easy, but it's the starting point for all the clips, so take a second to get it right. Time to make your first video clip. Open your document, find the first prompt. Highlight it and copy it. Go back to PixVerse, paste it into the prompt box. Before you hit go, tweak the settings. Make sure you have the V4 model selected since it's the latest and does the best job. Click on Style and then choose the best one for your video. I'll go for 3D animation for a clean, solid look that fits most ideas. Click on Duration and pick 5 or 8 seconds. I'll go for 5. Click on Standard Motion and change this to Smooth Motion. Click on Panel and set the aspect ratio. I'll go for 9:16 to create a short-form video. You might see extras like effects or negative prompts, but leave them alone for now to keep it simple. Double-check everything. Click Create and PixVerse will start generating the clip. After a short while, a video shows up. Click on it and watch it through. This is beyond impressive. Mine matched my prompt, but yours will follow yours. You can edit your video by adding sound, restyling, and so on. If you want your characters to talk, click on Speech, and then type in what you want them to say, like, "Hey, what are you doing?" Click on Auto, listen to some of the voices, and pick the best one for your character. You can upload your own audio here too. Then click Create. Wait a few seconds. The video updates with the speech added. Now repeat the process for your other clips. Use the same settings unless you've got a reason to switch. Keeping them consistent makes the video hang together. You'll have all your clips ready soon. Step 5. Add a consistent character. If your story has the same character popping up more than once, here's how to make sure they come consistently. Look near the prompt box and click on Character. Click on Create. Now head over to a free AI image generator like Leonardo AI. Sign up for a free account, log in, and click on Image Creation. In the prompt box, type in a description of the character that you want, like a forward-facing full headshot of a cartoon 20-year-old red-haired girl with green eyes. Set the model to Flux Dev or any style that matches your video. Then click Generate. Download the image that you like best from the options. Back in PixVerse, click Upload in the window. Pick your character image and type a name like red-haired girl or Lily in the name field. Click Create Character. It's saved now. If you want to create a clip with your character, stay in the Character tab. Click on the smiley emoji and then pick the character you just created. Then describe your story in the prompt box. For example, Lily is walking down the street and finds a massive diamond in a trash can. When the video is generated, you'll see your character show up in the video like this. Step 6. Put everything together. Once you've created all of your clips, download them by hovering over the clip and clicking. Download. Do this for every clip. On your computer, make a folder called Animation Clips. Move the files there, rename them in order, Clip 1, Clip 2, and so on. It's a small task, but it sets you up for editing. Now pull it all together. Set up CapCut. I use it because it's free and does the job. Click New Project. Hit Import. Select all your clips from the folder. They load into the media bin. Drag Clip 1 to the timeline. Add Clip 2 right after. Keep going until they're in order. Play it through. If a clip drags, drag its edge to trim it. Click Audio, pick Music. Choose a track that suits your video and add it. Turn its volume down so it doesn't overpower the voices if you're using any. Go to Sound Effects. Add a sound like a whoosh where it fits. Place it on the audio track. If you want, click Effects and add a fade between clips. Preview it. Fix anything that's off. Click Export. Set it to 1080 pixels. Save it. Rendering takes a minute or two, and then you have your final video. What do you think about PixVerse? Will you try this process out? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.